YouTube is introducing some changes to its monetization program, the YouTube Partner Program. Now, creators with more than 20,000 subscribers will be able to join the program and get access to monetization tools like Super Thanks, Super Chat, and Super Stickers.
That is correct. YouTube is reducing the prerequisites for qualification in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Taiwan, and South Korea. Content creators now need to have 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the previous 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours in the previous year or 3 million shorts views in the previous 90 days.
Wow, that's a lot of criteria to meet.
Yes, it is. Content creators who are already part of YouTube Partner Program and have over 20,000 subscribers will qualify for YouTube's Shopping Affiliate Initiative. They can label items in their videos and shorts and receive a percentage of the sales.
YouTube also announced a tool for artists called Creator Music, which is a way for them to earn money for use of their music in videos.
Yes, and earlier this year, they introduced a metric to track an artist's reach across different formats, including shorts.
That's great news for creators who want to take advantage of YouTube monetization tools.
Sure is. That's it for today.